and bust out Masicka head. You remember, Transtam said them at go club, you know. You remember Masicka man and Kurtad, look how go club thing there. Yeah man, Transtam I kill it, brawling. What are we bumbo clad Masicka thing water down here man? Till them all send Transtam theme. Blood, they water down.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club of Them TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
People, Vybz Kartel a real blood clot craftsman still, you know. The man full of craft, you fuck. I say what a weird. Kartel send Transtam for bust out Masicka head and JahChyld. Boy, yo, the Transtam song no sound bad, you know. It don't sound bad. I know the best, but I mean, it don't sound bad. It can't go on. Transtam a go on. Masicka, look how long Jungle Boss a want you. You just a pick up. Me say look how long Jungle Boss a want you. You just a pick up. You just a pick up say Kartel them a blood clot trick, sir. Kartel come and friend and trick you. And put on your career, your blood clot that you. Me not tell you for one out, like alkaline, one out. But late, man. You just a find out say them a trick, sir. Your blood clot, you come on Sunfest, I know you a big up Kartel. You find out say them a trick, sir, now. You bumbo clot, you. Sometimes if you listen to Jungle Boss, read the game. I trick them trick you bumbo clot that me not tell you, don't friend bumbo clot tell them. You just a find out. You just a find out. You just a find out. Stand up on your blood clot one. The man ain't shadow your thing, you fucking idiot. You just a learn. Mr. Jungle Boss the teacher on ya. No boy.
Greetings, my TikTok people. Blessed good morning. This is your boy JahChyld. I see a video I circulate social media with OneKevin. And bro, you know I say, I know you mentioned foot hype name. No, you never mentioned foot hype name. You mentioned two persons. I know I say, I mean and foot hype attack. You know what I mean? And I heard foot hype come and say, I know you say, oh, big mouth, and I hear nothing about big mouth. And you see it, you can't fuck around people over social media because God not sleep and God this and that. But you know me, I say, you see me, I want different youth, you know, OneKevin. Me not have nothing. Me over TikTok I troll with one another. You see me, I say? Yeah, we are troll with one another and thing. Because me not wish bad for people. This is JahChyld. And I just want to say, OneKevin, speedy recovery from your injury. Me never know say you crash off a bike, bro. I swear to God. You see me I say? I did hear foot hype. Say, oh, soon I hear nothing from chatty mouth. Yes, I hear, but I never know. You know what I mean? I crash off of your motorcycle. You understand me? And you know, speedy recovery. You know what I mean? You know, eat good. Take care of your health. You see me and say, my brother? Yeah, because people may see me and you over social media go one-on-one and rare and this and that. People, this is a troll. You see me and say? Anything we hear me and say about OneKevin, I just troll, we are troll one another. You see me and say? But me, JahChyld, my heart too clean. Fear pray for people don't fall or, you know what I mean, accident for happen to him or make him hurt himself or, no, me not do them the thing there. So when me see a video now, me have to do this a video and I say, yo, OneKevin, big up yourself, speedy recovery. You understand me? Yeah, man. I one love, man. JahChyld have not hate for you, bro. I can't tell you that. See, I remember the first time me get to know you, you know. You forward on my platform and me, what a reason I did it for 1 hour or 2 hours. You see, when me head up on the live, a reason for. So some people understand and look into that and will say, yo, me you just as troll one another and some people take it to heart and some other people are disrespect and some people I say this and say that, but they don't understand. Even people in my corner to disrespect you and all them things, but them not really understand. You see me I say? But speedy recovery. You understand me? And big up yourself. I'm sorry if you hear that, my G, in a real life. You see me? More blessings.
Hear me I say now, one big respect more for send to JahChyld. A youth to fully understand that, you know, when play around on internet, I play around on internet, and when we bash each other on the internet, I bash each other on the internet. You understand? And people, you know, want everybody to understand that something here. That, you know, sickness is not something for hide. You understand? And me see a thing I go around with footer hype, and footer, me gonna tell you the truth. You know, take this from a friendly point of view. You understand? I don't know if you're already taking a check on these things, but may I be real with you. Anytime somebody about to get strokes, right? That lean mouth, something that we hear people that talk about them, say your mouth lean, take it serious if you not see it. And go and get checked out. You understand? Don't do it when it's too late. Because you may get a strokes and it's too late. Do it while you can catch it. Say, if I that, brother. And I hide the sickness on nobody, brother. You see me, I say, don't be like some people when I understand the internet. Because you understand the internet more than a lot of us. I mean, I'll be real with you. You understand? And people more want to understand that something here too. You know, remember this, you know. Only we say me born footer hype. But how much people footer hype born? Footer hype born out everybody too. When him ready. You understand? So just me, one man, did it forward out and I born footer hype until other people start do it. You understand? And that's just the realness of me. You see me? Me born out a person who me see I born out many people. And enough of them now answer him. You get me I say? And me just use him as the troll. I him me troll. I know say, yo, yeah, I him me I go for. Because I him me see I born out Vibes Cartel. And on the system me defend by his cartel in everything. So me I go for him. You get me I say? But just remember this. It's an internet something. You see me I say? Me not take it personal. So anybody else take it personally, you be childish. Because you burn people out, a man come burn you out, all you have to do is laugh. You see me I say? You troll people, somebody troll you, all you have to do is laugh. You see me I say? Just like JahChyld. Me troll JahChyld troll me. And JahChyld maybe say, yo, that boy I get some information for me. And JahChyld just go stand back out. But I just say go. Because me I go dig deep now and start find out some more things and more information on them. Something. And I just mean that, unruly. Me I go just get unruly and talk. And the next thing I want to learn, do not put nothing on yourself that you don't want to come true. Anytime you go put things for yourself, put say you're rich, put say your kids them finish school, your kids them finish college, put say God blessings all over you, put say all of your blessings come true. Do not put no negative things on your life. You understand? Remember the other day I do a video. And me never have no problem I have. I put the tape them right around my eye. See it? Me meet in a bike accident and yeah. Me laugh right now to them. I have to laugh. Because I really see you saw me. I said, Jano, you know, say enough to put nothing on your way, you know. Yeah, because it come true. And God alone can tell me, can tell you, say, God knows that it come true. Don't put nothing upon your way, you know what happen to you. So you say if you're healthy, don't put no sickness upon yourself. Don't lie to nobody about sickness. You understand? If you have to tell a lie, not tell no lie about sickness, not tell no lie about death, not tell no lie say you're broke, not tell no lie say you don't have no money, not tell no lie say you don't have a job. Somebody call you from Jamaica, you just don't have it. You just don't have it, bro. It's simple. Yeah. A lot of people maybe are going to look and say, yo, what happened to you? I had a bike accident and I'm in recovery. And this is me in recovery. Coming out telling you, get well soon, footer hype, and make sure you do what I said. Go and take a checkup. No man not too big for take one look at telling from somebody who troll them. Not because I troll you, I don't want nobody happen to your youth. Not because you hear me talk or me talk. Me don't want to hear say nothing nobody wrong with you neither. You understand? But yes, when we're on the internet, just born where for born man and me born where me have for born man. You understand? It's fun on the internet. That's I just know that that's fun. And I saw we grow in our ghetto. And truth be told, I saw we grew up in our ghetto. So ghetto people understand what we are doing. But some people when I understand, then we talk all kind of things. But I'm say, get well soon and whatever go on with your mouth, brother, it can be a signal that you are near to catch a strokes. So go and check it out. Blessings.
Willis, Neil. You myself knows a feeder scale. And I represent what? Club them TV. You hear? Paper. Make sure you subscribe and share. Club them TV. Feeder scale is out here. You hear? Willis! You myself know. Come on, baby, make me nail it in. Come on, baby, make me drive it in. Come on, baby, make me knock. You hear? Neil. Club them TV, you hear? Willis!
I heard me no do nothing, you know, me left come America and see me a try and sort out in your life, you know. And we can have a better life and people can see you and see the struggles where we have come from. And this you do me. I beg you tell me pick them in a month. Then find me dead in the house and tell me pick them in a month. So then daddy love them, you know. And then daddy will try and daddy always make sure they have something, you know. Me I beg you to tell them, you know. Me I beg you tell them in a month. I beg you tell me picking them in a car. God knows I'm gonna deserve this, you know. Me try, you know. Me try every fucking thing. Me clean all shit, dog. Hard shit. Clean people, yeah. Just put $1 together and starve myself up, yeah. Starve myself up, yeah. Just make sure some have something down there. And this no come to me, everybody plan up and this no come. You a fall person. Me never turn never find you yet, no matter what. If you're sick, by the time you say this, me go find money.
When you can't find the food you left in the fridge.
Your mother, what it? Live your mother con. Live with it. I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go drop and bum. The war start and all that done. Them a try aggravate me. The pussy them a try pull up. After you and I first na relax. Hold your jacket. Pull up.
Pull up! I want TV and a Clubber TV. If you never subscribe, run go subscribe now. The time is now. Pull up! I want a time out.